Hello, bachcho. Hope you are seriously preparing for your final exams. Bachcho, let me help you in your preparations. In this session, we will do all important questions from pair of linear equations. Bachcho, these questions are very important. Just practice well to get maximum marks from pair of linear equations. Bachcho, make a note of this. Bachcho, let me take two linear equations. The first linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. The second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Bachcho, make a note. The linear equation always represent a straight line. The graph of a linear equation always represent a straight line. Matlab, we have two straight lines here, the first line and second line. But so if these two are straight lines, so we have three possibilities. The two lines may be intersecting line like this. The two lines may be intersecting line. If this is L1, L2, they are intersecting at one point P. Okay, they may be parallel lines like this. They never intersect. They may be parallel lines. No, they may be like one line lying on other line, that is coincident lines. They may be intersecting lines or can be parallel lines. They may be coincident lines. Okay now, so three possibilities. Now bachcho, for intersecting line, so what is the condition? If you are getting like this, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, if this condition is satisfied, then I can say the two lines are intersecting lines. For intersecting lines, how many solutions I'll get? Only one solution. So we'll get only one solution. If we have a solution, then the solution is consistent. At least if you are getting one solution, then the pair of linear equation is consistent. Okay. Now parallel. If the lines are parallel, then I can use the formula a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Okay. If this condition is satisfied, then I can say these two lines are parallel lines. So for parallel lines, there is no solution. In a sense, they never intersect. So no solution. As they have no solution, it is inconsistent. Okay, bacho. Now they'll go for next one. So if you get a like condition like this, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. A1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then I can say the two lines are coincident lines. Coincident says one line lying on another line. So for coincident lines, we have many solutions. So since we have solutions, so we can say it is consistent. The solution is consistent. Okay, bacho. Just make a note of this for different the conditions. If you are able to prove that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting lines. For intersecting lines, how many solutions you get? Only one solution. That is consistent. If they are parallel, then I will be getting like this: a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. As there is no solution. So there is no solution. As there are no solution, it is inconsistent. Now, bacho, third condition: if that coincident lines will be getting like this: a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to again c1 by c2. The difference is here. Here not equal to, here equal to. So all are equal. Then many solution will get. Then the solution is consistent. Bacho, make a note of this. This table is very important, mark. Bacho, in this question, we need to check whether the pair of linear equations are either intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. Okay. So let me go for the first question. The first question is, we have first equation 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals 0. The other one 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. But so let me compare this with the general form of this, the equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. Here also a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. If you have two equations, now you have to compare those two equations with these general forms. Now when I compare, the value of a1 equal to here, a1 equal to 6 and a2 equal to 2. Now bacho, let me compare b1. b1 equal to here minus 3. Bacho, you have to consider negative sign also. So b1 equal to minus 3. Here b2 equal to nothing is anything. You have to take minus 1 there, minus 1. And c1 equal to here, I'll take 10. And here let me take c2 equal to 9. Okay, bacho. Now after this, let us compare. Let us find a1 by a2 first. So a1 by a2 is 6 by 2, 1 the 3 the. So I'm getting here a1 by a2 nothing but 3. Okay, bacho. Let us go for b1 by b2. b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 1. Okay, so minus we can cancel. We'll get here 3. So a1 by a2 equal to 3. b1 by b2 is also 3. Let us go for c1 by c2. So c1 is here 10 by 9. So it is not possible to cancel. So here by looking at these two answers, here we have 3 here. Here also we have 3. So that means I can say a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. That means our first condition is satisfied. So therefore I can say therefore the given pair of lines are intersecting lines, not intersecting parallel lines. Okay, na? They are parallel or parallel lines. Second condition. Okay, second condition satisfied here. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So this is a second condition. So as the second condition satisfied, I can say the given lines are parallel lines. Okay, bacho. Try this question. In case if you are feeling difficult, just raise your doubt in the comment section. I'll help you, ma. Bacho, in this question, we need to check whether the pair of lines are consistent or inconsistent. Bacho, if the lines are parallel, already we discussed, if the lines are parallel, they are inconsistent. The pair of lines are inconsistent. And if they are intersecting or coincident, then the pair of lines are inconsistent. So let me use this concept here. Okay, now. So we have two equations. The first equation is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 equals 0. Now this is a1, this is b1, this is c1. Okay, now. So a1 value is here 3 by 2. Now second equation is 9x minus 10y minus 22 equals 0. So that's x quotient is here a2, here y quotient is b2 and constant is c2. So here my a2 value equal to 9. Okay, comfortable bacho? Right. Next, we'll take b1. The b1 equal to here 5 by 3 and b2 equal to here minus 10 and c1 equal to minus 7 and c2 equal to minus 22. Okay, bacho. Now let us find a1 by a2 first. So let us find a1 by a2. So what is a1 here? 3 by 2 divided by 9. Now that gives you, see, bacho, nothing means you can take 1 in the denominator here. So this fraction is shifted to numerator. So what I'll do? 3 by 2 into, let me take reciprocal of that fraction. I'll take 1 by 9. 3 1 the, 3 3 the. So 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 3, 6. So here we'll get like a1 by a2 equal to, we got 1 by 6. Okay, now. So we got a1 by a2 equal to, we got 1 by 6. Let me go for b1 by b2. But so let me go for b1 by b2. So b1 by b2 equal to, what is b1 here? 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 divided by minus 10. So bacho, nothing means we can take 1 here. Now this fraction is shifted to numerator. So how much? So we have to take reciprocal of that, minus 1 by 10. 5 1 the, 5 2 the. We got minus 1 by 3 2 the 6. Here b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by 6 here plus 1 by 6. Make a note. Okay, na? Next, c1 by c2. C1 by C2 equal to, what is C1 there? My C1 is here minus 7 minus 7 by minus 22. So minus minus cancel. We got 7 by 2. But so observe these two fractions. Here we got a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 6. Here b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by 6. Matlab, we can say a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are, I can say the lines are, the pair of lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines and they are consistent. Okay, bacho. If the lines are intersecting, the pair of lines are consistent. So here, so a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. The matlab, the condition, this condition says that the lines are intersecting lines. If the lines are intersecting, they are consistent. Okay, now. Okay, bacho. Now you try this question and write your answer in the comment section, ma. In this question, given that the two lines are parallel and we need to find the value of k. Now, bacho, now here the value of a1 is minus 3, a1 equal to minus 3, and the value of a2 is k, and the value of b1 is minus 4, the value of b2 is minus 12, and the value of c1 equal to here 3, and the value of c2 equal to 10. But so, given that the lines are parallel, see, look at this. So, given that lines are parallel, given the lines are parallel. But so, if the lines are parallel, so which condition we'll use? We'll use the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Now the lines are parallel, we can use the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. But so let me put the values. Here a1 is here minus 3. So let me take minus 3 by a2 is k equal to the value of b1 is minus 4 by minus 12. Okay, bacho. See, bacho, look at this. In the numerator and denominator, we have negative signs. So you can cancel the negative signs. Then we'll go for cross multiplication. 4 into k equal to minus 3 into 12. We need the value of k. So k equal to 4 is shifted to RHS minus 3 into 12 by 4. Okay. Now 4 1s are 4 3s are. So therefore k equal to minus 9. But sure, in this question, we need to find the value of m as well as n, given that the pair of linear equations have many solutions. If they have many solutions, they are nothing but they are coincident lines. Indirectly it is saying they are coincident lines. Okay, macho. Now, so here we have like a1 will be the coefficient of x here. So a1 equal to 2m minus 1, and a2 will be the coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 3. Okay, understood, bacho. Now the b1 nothing but coefficient of y in the first equation, that is 3, and b2 nothing but the coefficient of y in the second equation, that is n minus 1. Okay, bacho. Now c1 nothing but constant in the first equation, that is minus 5. Now c2 nothing but constant in the second equation, that is minus 2. Okay, bacho, understood ma? Right. Now given the lines are coincident lines. If the lines are coincident lines, which condition should I use? Given lines are coincident, then bacho, make it fast. So write the condition in the comment section. Okay, right. So if the lines are coincident lines, so I can use the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Okay, but so if the lines are coincident lines, so we can use the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Now let me put the values. The value of a1 is 2m minus 1 by a2 is 3 equal to the value of b1 is 3 here, 3 by n minus 1 equal to minus 5 by minus 2. Okay, bacho. So you can cancel minus, minus, minus. Then bacho, listen what I'll do. To get m value, let me take this one equate with this. Okay now. So first let me take this fraction equated with the constant fraction. Now to get n value, let me equate this and this. Okay now. So we need two values. So first for getting m values, let me take 2m minus 1 by 3 equated with the constant 5 by 2. In the same way, if you want n value, let me take this fraction 3 by n minus 1 equated with again 5 by 2. Okay, bacho, hope you understood everyone, right? Now, so go for cross multiplication, this into this, this into this. 2 is multiplied with this, 2 into 2m minus 1 equal to 3 into 5, 15. Let me open the bracket, 2 into 2, 4. 4m, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 equal to 15. Now 4m equal to, bacho, let us bring minus 2 to RHS. So we'll get 15 by 15 plus 2 will get, minus 2 becomes plus 2. Now 4m equal to, so here we get 17. The value of m will be 17 by 4. Okay, bacho, comfortable, bacho? Right. Next, here again, let us go for cross multiplication. This into this, this into this. The 5 is multiplied with n minus 1 equal to 3 into 2, 6. Let me open the bracket. 5 into n is 5n minus 5 equal to 6. 5 into n, 5n. 5 into minus 1, minus 5 equal to 6. So 5n equal to, let us shift minus 2 to minus 5 to RHS. We'll get 6 plus 5. Okay, we'll get 6 plus 5. Now 5n equal to 11. N equal to 11 by 5. Okay, bacho. Therefore, m equal to 17 by 4. N equal to 11 by 5. Bacho, in this question, we need to find the value of P given that the pair of linear equations are coincident lines. They are coincident. Okay now. So here our A1 value is the P. This is A1 and this is A2. So A2 equal to 12. And the B1 is 3 and B2 equal to P. And the C1 equal to minus of P minus 3. And the C2 will be the minus P. The C2 value is minus P. Okay, bacho. Now given the bacho, the lines are coincident lines. So given the pair of lines, pair of linear equations are coincident. So then I'll use the condition A1 by A2. I'll use the condition A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Okay. Now this condition is used where the lines are coincident lines. Let me put the values. The value of A1 is here P. P by 12 equal to B1 is here 3. 3 by P. Okay. Equal to, let me take minus of P minus 3 divided by minus 3. Okay, bacho. Now, bacho, you can cancel these two. Okay, since we need, bacho, here in this question, we need only a P value. So either equate these two fractions or these two fractions or these two fractions to get the value of P. So here I'll take only these two, sir. Okay, we'll take P by 12 equal to 3 by P. I repeat, bacho, to get P value, either you take this fraction equated with this fraction, or so this fraction is equated with this fraction, or you can equate P by 12 with this thing. Okay, so anyone is equal in n of ma. So let me take P by 12 equal to 3 by P. So let's go for cross multiplication. P into P, P square. P square equal to 12 into 3. So 12 into 3. So P square equal to 36. Okay, bacho. Now I need a value of P. So what I'll do, let me shift square to that side. So P equal to root 36. So always, bacho, you have to take plus or minus here. Okay, whenever square is shifted there, you have to take square root plus, you have to take plus or minus there. Two values will get, right? So plus or minus. So P equal to plus or minus, the square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, I can say P equal to 6 or minus 6. Bacho, in this question, we need to find two supplementary angles. Given that the larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degrees, we need to find the angles. So, bachcho, let us take the larger angle as, let the larger angle equal to, let me take x degrees, let the smaller angle equal to, let me take y degrees. Okay, bachcho, let me take larger angle as x degrees and smaller angle as y degrees. So, given that the two angles are supplementary, therefore I can say x plus y equal to 180 degrees. So, if the sum of two angles is 180, they are called supplementary angles. So, here the two angles are, since the two angles are supplementary. So, let me take this as equation 1. Okay, bachcho. Now, so see the second condition, given that the larger angle exists, means the larger angle is 18 more than the smaller angle. Here given larger angle equal to, he said x in hence, it is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. Given that the larger angle is 18 degrees more than the smaller angle. So here so larger angle is nothing but in this case it is x. X equal to smaller angle, here it is y plus 18 degrees. Okay na, bachcho. Now let me take this y to LHS. So we'll get x minus y equal to 18 degrees. Let me take this as equation 2. Okay, bachcho. Now, so we have two equations. The first one is x plus y equal to 180 degrees. Second one we have x minus y equal to 18 degrees. Let me solve these two equations by elimination method. Solve 192. Our first equation is x plus y equal to 180 degrees. The other one is x minus y equal to 18 degrees. Now plus y minus y we can cancel. So x plus x 2x equal to, if I add, you get 198 degrees. X equal to 198 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 9s are 2 9s are. The x is nothing but here 99. So x is nothing but here larger angle. So even we want the other angle also. Let me take x and put in the first equation. So what I'll do here, substitute x in equation 1. Our equation 1 is x plus y equal to 180 degrees. The value of x is 99. So 99 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. So 99 is shifted to RHS. So we get y equal to 180 degrees minus 99. Okay, bachcho, any doubts? Okay. Now, if 180 minus 99, so we get 17 here, 9, 1, 8. So we get y equal to 81 degrees. Okay, bachcho. So therefore, the two, we know x and y. So x and y nothing but complementary angles. The two angles are 99 degrees, 81 degrees. Okay, na bachcho? Bachcho, in this question it is given that the two angles are complementary angles, and also given that the larger angle is 3 degrees less than the twice the smaller angle. Okay, bachcho. So here let us proceed with, let the larger angle equal to, let me take it as x degrees. Okay, bachcho. And let me take smaller angle y degrees. Bachcho, as these two angles are complementary, therefore I can say x plus y equal to 90 degrees. So let me take equation 1. So y 90, given complementary angles, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, they are complementary angles. So since the two angles are complementary. Okay, bachcho. Now let me take it as equation 1. And also given that the larger angle is 3 less than our given, observe carefully, given larger angle is 3 less than what? Twice the smaller angle. So I repeat again, given that larger angle is 3 less than what? 2 times the smaller angle. So we know that larger angle is here in this case x equal to 2 into y minus 3. Okay, bacho. So let me take 2y this side. X minus 2y equal to, I'll get minus 3. Let me take this side, equation 2. Okay, bacho. So let us solve equation 1 and equation 2. So solve 1 and 2. The first equation is x plus y equal to 90. Next, x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Okay, bacho. Now to cancel y term here, we need 2 here. So let me multiply this pura equation with 2. So if I multiply with 2, what we get here? 2 into x is 2x plus 2y equal to 180. Okay, bacho. Now this second equation as it is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now plus 2y minus 2y we can cancel. So here we have 2x plus 1x is 3x equal to 180 minus 3 is 177. Okay, now so x equal to 177 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 2, 3 9s are. So the value of x is here 59 degrees. 59 degrees. Okay, bacho. Now, so we know x value. So let me take x and put in equation 1. What I'll do here? Substitute x in equation 1. So here equation 1 is x plus y equal to 190. So the value of x is 59. So let me take 59 here plus y equal to 90 degrees. So y equal to 90 minus 59. So y equal to, what is here? 31 degrees. Okay, bacho. Therefore, the two angles are 59 degrees and 31 degrees. Bacho, in this question, we need a fraction. Given that if 1 is added to numerator and denominator, our fraction becomes 4 by 5. And if 5 is subtracted, it becomes 1 by 2. Okay, now. Right, bacho. Let the numerator equal to, numerator of the fraction equal to, let us take x. Okay, let us take numerator as x. The next denominator, let the denominator of the fraction equal to, I'll take y. Therefore, our fraction equal to x by 5. Okay, bacho. Now, let us go for condition 1. In the first condition, it's given that if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, our fraction becomes 4 by 5. So let me take this fraction. So if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, our fraction will be 4 by 5. Okay, now. So our fraction is x by y. Let me add 1 to both numerator and denominator. So let me add 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator equal to this 4 by 5. Let us go for cross multiplication. The 5 into x plus 1 equal to 4 into y plus 1. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 ones are 5 equal to 4 into y, 4y plus 4. Now 4y shifted this side. So 5x minus 4y equal to this 4 as it is plus 5 is shifted to that side. So I'll get minus 5. So 5x minus 4y equal, I'll get minus 1. Let me take this as equation 1. Okay, bacho, understood? Right. Now I'll go for second condition. We'll go for second condition 2. So in the second condition is given that if 5 is subtracted from both, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. If 5 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, our fraction will be 1 by 2. Okay, let me take our fraction here. X by 5 is my fraction. Given that 5 subtracted from both numerator and denominator. So let me take minus 5 here also minus 5. Then our fraction will be 1 by 2. Okay, bacho. Now cross multiplication, this into this. 2 into x minus 5 equal to 1 into y minus 5. Okay, 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 equal to 1 into y minus 5. Now let us bring y to our LHS. 2x minus y equal to this minus 5 as it is, minus 5. But remember, minus 5 here. Be careful, ma. Minus 5 as it is, and minus 10 is shifting that side. So I'll get plus 10. So what I'm doing here, I'm bringing the y term from RHS to LHS, and so I'm pushing. What I'm doing, I'm shifting minus 10 from LHS to RHS. Since it is minus 10, it becomes plus 10. This minus 5 as it is. So 2x minus y equal to, I get 5. Let me take this as equation 2. But how to get x and y from these two equations? By solving these two equations, I'll get x and y. Okay? Let us solve two equations. Solve equation 1 and equation 2. What is my equation 1 here? 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. And the second equation is 2x minus y equal to 5. Okay, bacho, how to simplify? How to solve this? Okay, bacho. Now here we have the quotient 4. So try to get 4 here. That is possible when you multiply everything with 4. Okay, bacho. Now the first equation, let me take as it is. 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. Now 4 into 2, 8x minus 4 into y, 4y equal to 20. Now here the signs are same. We have minus 4y, then I'll go for sign changing. So I'll take minus here, plus here, minus. Okay, bacho. So why? So minus 4y is not possible to cancel. So let me change the signs. So if I change plus sign here, so you have to take opposite of this sign, plus at the minus, here plus at the minus. Okay, bacho. Now onward, don't consider these signs. Okay, you have to consider only these signs. Okay, bacho. Now minus 4y plus 4y will get cancelled, right? You can cancel those two terms. Now here we have plus 5y plus 5x minus 8x. So what will get here? Minus 3x will get. So you'll take minus 3x equal to here minus 21, minus 20 minus 1. Minus 20 minus 1 is minus 21. So let me take that minus 21. Okay, bacho, hope you understood everyone. So in case any doubts, just raise your doubts in the comment section. So you can cancel minus and minus. So x equal to 21 by 3. 1 the 7 the x equal to 7. I got x value. How to get y ma? How to get my y value? Just substitute x in equation 1. So my equation 1 is this. Let me take that equation. So let me take that equation. 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. The value of x is 7. So 5 into 7 minus 4y equal to minus 1. Okay, nama. So 5 7 the 35. 35 minus 4y equal to minus 1. So my 35 shifted there. Minus 4y equal to minus 1. Minus 35. Okay, now. So minus 4y. So minus 4y equal to, here what I get here? I get minus 36. Minus 35 minus 1 is minus 36. So bacho, you can cancel negative sign here. So y equal to 36 by 4. 4 1s are 4 9s are y equal to 9. Bacho, so here x equal to 7, y equal to 9. So our fraction will be x by y. So therefore, required fraction is x. What is x here? 7. 7 by 9. Bacho, in this question, we need length and breadth of a rectangular garden, given that half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter, and also given that length is 4 more than breadth. So, bacho, let the length of the rectangular garden, let me take it as x meters, and let the breadth of the rectangular garden be y meters. Okay, bacho. Right? Let me take length as x and breadth as y. We need to find x and y values. Okay, the dimensions. Okay. Now the first condition is given that half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meters. So how to find perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, if I say half, so just multiply by 1 by 2. So this will get cancelled. So half the perimeter nothing but L plus B. So here given of the perimeter of the rectangular garden equal to is given 36 meter. So actually the perimeter is 2 into L plus B equal to 36. But he said half in a sense you have to multiply this with 1 by 2. Okay, bacho. Now 2 will get cancelled. The value of L is nothing but here x. Let me take x here, and the value of B is y equal to 36 meters. 36. Let me take it as equation 1. Okay, bacho. So x plus y equal to 36. Let us go for second condition. So also given length is given that length is 4 more than what? Breadth. I repeat, according to the second part of the question, given length is 4 more than, in a sense, plus 4 by what? Breadth. So let me breadth there. So length equal to what here? X. So x equal to breadth nothing but here y plus 4. Okay, let me take y to LHS. So x minus y equal to 4. Let me take this as equation 2. Okay, but so here we have two equations, x plus y equal to 36, x minus y equal to 4. Okay, na? So what I'll do here? Let me solve 1 and 2. Let us solve 1 and 2. So x plus y equal to 36. The other one is x minus y equal to 4. Okay. Now we can cancel plus y minus 5. So here we have x plus x 2x equal to, we'll have 40 here. So 2x equal to 40. The x will nothing but 40 by 2. 2 1s are 2 20s are x equal to 20. Now x is got now, and then they'll have substitute x in equation 1. Substitute x in equation 1. Our equation 1 is x plus y equal to 36. The value of x is here 20. 20 plus y equal to 36. Y equal to 36. Now let us take 22 RHS. So you get here minus 20. So y equal to 16. So what is L? Here nothing. Here x nothing but here length. Y nothing but breadth. So therefore I can say dimensions of the rectangular garden equal to 20 centimeter length, 20 meters length and 16 meter breadth. But in this question it is given that the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of the expenditures is 4:3, and both the persons are saving 2000 per month, and we need to find their incomes, and also we need to find their expenditures. Okay, bacho. Now here the ratio of the incomes is 9:7. So let us take let the incomes of two persons be, I'll take 9x, 7x. So let me take the incomes of two persons as 9x, 7x, and let the expenditures of two persons equal to, let me take 4y is to 3y. So here we have to take x and x. Here we need to take y and y. So bacho, listen. So we have assume that we have incomes and expenditure. Now to find savings, bacho. So the formula says savings equal to income minus expenditure. Okay, income minus expenditure gives you savings. Just remember this formula. Okay, so here given that each person saves 2000 per month. So given like savings of first person equal to rupees 2000. Is also given savings of second person also rupees 2000. Okay, bacho, listen carefully. right? So bacho, here the income of first person is here 9x and his expenditure is 4y. So this is the income of first person, this is the income of second person. This is the expenditure of first person, this is the expenditure of second person. If you want the savings of first person, what I'll do? I'll take income minus expenditure. So what I'll do here? I'll take 9x minus 4y gives you 200. Let me take this as equation 1. Bacho, hope you understood everyone, okay? Right. Next, here also, let me take income of second person. Here, second person income is here 7x minus the expenditure is 4y gives you 2000. I repeat again, how to find income savings of second person? So income of second person minus expenditure of second person. Nothing but here 7x minus 3y. 7x minus 3y gives you savings of second person. So let me take this as equation 1. Okay, bacho. Now let me solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Our equation 1 is 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. And the second equation is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Bacho, look at this. Now here we multiply this equation with this coefficient. We'll take this y coefficient. Let me multiply the first equation with that coefficient. Now we multiply second equation with the y coefficient of the first equation. Okay, what I'll do? Let me take 3 and multiply the first equation with that 3, and I'll take the second equation, multiply by this 4. Okay, now. So 3 9s are 27x minus 4 is 12y equal to 2 into 3 is 6000. 2000 into 3 is 6000. Now, again, 7 into 4 is 28. 28x minus 3 into 4 is 12y equal to, how much you get here? We'll get 8000. Okay, bacho. Now, bacho, so if you want to cancel these two terms, we need opposite signs. But here we have minus sign and minus sign. It is not possible to cancel. So then what I'll do? I'll go for sign changing. So I'll change the opposite sign of this is plus. The opposite to this is minus. And the plus here, I'll take minus. Now onwards, don't take this one. You have to consider these signs only. Okay, na bacho? Now plus 12y minus 12y, we can cancel. Now here minus 28. We'll get minus 28 here. We have like a plus 27. We'll get minus x equal to minus 8000 plus 6000. We'll get minus 2000. Okay, bacho? Minus 2000. So you can cancel minus and minus. X equal to 2000. Okay. Now how to find y value? So once you know the x value, let us take x value and put in first equation. Substitute x in 1. So what is first equation? 9x. Our first equation is 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. The value of x is here 2000. So let me take 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to 2000. How much you get here? 18,000 you get minus 4y equal to 2000. Okay, bacho. So here I'll take minus 4y as it is. Minus 4y equal to 2000. When you shift 18,000 to RHS, we'll get minus 18,000. So minus 4y equal to 2000. So what will you get here? I'll get minus 16,000. So minus we can cancel. Y equal to 16,000 by 4. 4 1s are 4 0s are 0 0 0. Y equal to 4,000. Okay, bacho. Okay. Now once you got x and y values, my question is, I want the incomes as well as expenditures. So what is the income of first person here? What is the income of first person here? Here 9x. So what will do here? Income of first person. First person equal to this income of first person. Let me take 9x here. So already we know the value of x here. So we got x here. So let me take 2000 there. 9 into 2000. So that gives you rupees 18,000. Bacho, the income of first person is 18,000. Now if you want the income of second person, let me take 7x. So these are the incomes of two person. So this is the income of first person. This is the income of second person. So let me take income of second person equal to here 7x. So already we know X value here. Let me take X there. 7 into 2000. So that gives you rupees 14,000. So these are the incomes. Now even I want the expenditure. Even the question it is given that in the question need the expenditure also. Let me find expenditure of first person. So what is the expenditure of first person here? 4y. So 4y. The 4 into the value of y is here 4,000. So let me multiply 16,000. So rupees 16,000 is the expenditure of the first person. Now to find the expenditure of second person, expenditure of second person equal to, here 3y gives you expenditure of second person. Let me take 3y there. So 3 into the value of y is 4,000. 3 into 4,000 is 12,000. So the answer is 12,000. So therefore, bacho, the income of first person is 18,000. Income of second person is 14,000. The expenditure of first person is 16,000. Expenditure of second person is 12,000.